Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey, hey, hey. Hope everyone is doing well on today. I am here to share another hot job lead with you all. Okay, this company is called Conduent. The position is Bill Review Services Associate. Okay, again, this is a remote position, and this pays $15 to $19 per hour according to Glassdoor. All right, job description here about Conduent. Through our dedicated associates, Conduent delivers mission critical services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes for our clients and the millions of people who count on them. You have an opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be a part of a cultural war where individuality is noticed and valued every day. Okay. The job track description performs tasks based on established procedures, uses data, organizing, and coordination skills to perform business support or technical support, requires vocational training, certifications, licensures, or equivalent experience. Okay. General profile expands skills within an analytical or operational process, maintains appropriate licenses, training and certifications, applies experience and skills to complete assigned work, works within established procedures and practices, works with a moderate degree of supervision. Okay. Functional knowledge has developed skill set in a range of processes, procedures, and systems. The business expertise portion, understanding of how teams integrate and work best together to support the achievement of company goals. Impacts a team, by example, through the quality service and information provided, follows standardized procedures, and receives moderate supervision and guidance. For your leadership skills, has no supervisory responsibilities, manages your own workload. Okay. Problem solving, uses existing procedures to solve standard problems without supervisory approval. Your interpersonal skills, exchanges information and ideas effectively. And your responsibility statements, audits payment, determination, reconsiderations, and reviews on medical bill data, assist in assigning procedure codes regarding complex issues and comprehensive exam codes, examines and adjusts lower level technical bills, including high level office visits, reports, and record reviews or record reviews. Now, you could go ahead and read the rest of the responsibility statements and then the closing here, okay? Now, if you are interested in this position, you'll go ahead and click the apply button on the top right and go ahead and apply. Good luck to those who apply to this position.
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how you got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works, and this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.